Welcome to my channel. This is Pearl from SINOMADA. Today, as you can see, we are in the Changsha International Construction Equipment Exhibition. Today, more than 20,000 exhibits here. Next, follow me to see various exhibitions and to find a hot sale product. SHANMON Backhoe loader 388H, but differs from before. It is the first one 388H with a drive axis to reduce damage in working and exempted from repairs. And brand new full hydraulic pilot control make drivers feel comfortable and less tired. Compared to same level products, it has crab working and four-wheel steering functions, which make it more flexible in movement. After this, let's see. 0.3 cubic meters backhoe, 3,050 millimeters dumping height, 2.5 tons load capacity, 1.2 cubic meters bucket, 75 kilowatts Yuchai engine. All this empowers it to be efficient and popular. Now let's see more details about it. Features about these machines, welcome inquiry at any moment. This is Paul. I'm waiting for your inquiries. See you next time.